good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of my top penny stocks to buy right now. I've actually already taken a position on this penny stock. They came out with massive news yesterday that they've landed a DOD contract. A Department of Defense contractor is partnering with this penny stock. Their technology is used in the U.S. military on the Hellfire Missile system. Absolutely massive news. And off the jump, right when the announcement was made, this stock was getting a ton of attention. It was up almost 100% at one point on the day. But because GameStop and AMC stock started to go to the moon again, everybody started focusing on that. Money got sucked out of this current stock that we're going to be talking about and thrown into those meme stocks, and that caused a gigantic pullback off of the highs. And I think we're getting a great opportunity to look at this penny stock at a discounted price on this pullback. I think it has the potential to break back out and make an absolutely huge move to the upside. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, consider hitting that subscribe button. Everybody go down there and like that button. If you want some free money, check out the link in the description to my broker Webull. They are offering you guys 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. That's free money. Also, check out the link for Patreon. I just launched the Patreon yesterday. A ton of people already signing up. You can get my buy and sell alerts in real time in the private Discord chat with every single Patreon membership. All right, guys, let's break down this penny stock. Massive news just came out. I love this company's upside. Let's get it. All right, trader and investor homies. The penny stock we're going to be breaking down in today's video is ticker symbol SYPR, Sypris Solutions Inc. This is a defense contractor company. They have a ton of potential. They came out with a massive news release yesterday that they have a deal with the Department of Defense contractor for some of their technology. We can see here on the chart, this is a 5-minute chart. The news was announced here, and the stock went absolutely nuts and ran up, hit $7.80 a share, more than a 100% move. But it rejected those levels, sold off hard, and is currently trading at $4.40. I absolutely love this setup. I like this company a lot. They are undervalued even at these levels, and I think we have a ton of upside to break out of this $7.80 level and make a huge move higher. Let's talk about the news release first, then we'll dive into the company's fundamentals, their business model, then we'll go back to the chart and I'll talk about my personal investing plan, where I'm putting my price targets and where I got in. Let's break it down. So Sypris Electronics LLC, a subsidiary of Sypris Solutions, announced today that it has recently received a follow-on award from a U.S. DOD prime contractor to manufacture and test electronic power supply modules for a mission-critical long-range precision-guided anti-ship missile system. Production will begin in 2021. This is absolutely massive news. They've got a deal to provide these power blocks, these power systems, to these missile systems to the United States military. And we all know when you get a deal with the government, it's endless money, baby. Endless money. A deal with the government who has pockets that never end. Their wallet is fatter than anybody else's wallet, and they can spend whatever they want to spend. We were already talking about a company that was profitable. It's not often that you get a chance to look at penny stocks that are already profitable. This company turned a profit last year. They only had income of $2 million, but we're looking at a profitable company, all right? Also, extremely low ratios, price to sale ratio, a market cap of only $96 million, but sales of $83 million last year. This company is experiencing massive growth, and I expect that growth to continue, and I think this stock is flat out too cheap. All right, let's look and see what Sypris does. What are their products and how is this company going to grow? So they break down their business model into 3 different segments: aerospace and defense. That's the business segment that I have the most interest in. That is the business segment that landed the DOD contract. So Sypris is known for its long-standing reputation as a trusted source for custom electronic design and manufacturing service, including systems for satellite power boxes, box builds for land-based systems, and electronic components for such key strategic programs as the Joint Strike Fighter. Sypris customers include Analog Devices, Collins Aerospace, Harris, Lockheed Martin. Okay, we're talking about Lockheed Martin is a customer of Sypris. L3, Northrop Grumman, one of the biggest DOD contractors. Northrop Grumman is a customer of Sypris. And Subcom have relied on Sypris to provide electronic assemblies for use in a wide range of programs, including satellite programs, the Hellfire Missile program. We have all heard about the Hellfire missiles. Sypris provides technology that goes into the Hellfire missiles. They also provide industrial solutions for oil and gas industries, and they also provide vehicle components, mainly for big agricultural equipment. So the aerospace and defense side of their business is mainly organized around 2 primary business models: information security solutions and electronic manufacturing services. The deal they got with the DOD this last time was for their electronic manufacturing services. They're going to be manufacturing these power supplies for the military. They also provide systems for the oil and gas industry. Now, you guys know I'm a big backer. I'm a big investor in clean energy. I know it's the future, but oil and gas is not going anywhere anytime soon. Let's be real. There's going to be at least a good 40 more years of us relying heavily on the oil and gas industry. So I believe this oil and gas segment of their business is going to be slowly dying off, but it can provide some revenue that they can put into their other business segments in order to help them grow that side of the business. Look at this news feed, okay? In 2020, Sypris won several big contracts for these oil and gas pipelines. Here's one right here. Once they got the award, the stock rocketed up 40%, another one 80%, and another one 120%. This one that they gapped up 120% on was in Canada. So they got several big oil and gas contracts in 2020. I expect that trend to continue in 2021, and it's just going to be like exponential, right? They already got a bunch of big oil and gas line contracts. They got that Department of Defense contract. They have a ton of big DOD customers, Northrop Grumman, and other big DOD contractors. So the growth is there. The growth is happening. I expect it to continue in 2021, and I think the stock is flat out too cheap at this price point. Let's take a look at the chart, and we'll talk about my personal investing plan, where I bought, my price targets. We'll break it all down, all right? So this baby went parabolic when the announcement was made. Boom, hit $7.75 a share. This morning, I was watching it sell off, and I bought right here at $4.48 a share. I bought 3,000 shares at $4.48. What am I looking for? I'm looking for this support back here to hold, act as support, and this thing to round back out, break out over $6, and retest these highs at around $8 per share. If long term, if you're looking at this long term, I would put a 12-month price target of $9 per share on this SYPR. I'm probably going to be swing trading this as just looking for a quick pop, retest those recent highs, but I do also like it long term. It reminds me a good bit of the CPSH. Okay, the CPSH, if we look at the daily chart, made a really big move right here, pulled back into support, and is now pulling back higher. This was a DOD contract. They gapped up. This day, they sold back off and then ran back higher to $28, $30 a share. This Sypris reminds me a good bit of this CPSH. I think it has similar potential, upside potential. I do believe we hold. I think we hold this $4 support on the daily, and we break back out towards the upside. So that's what I'm looking for. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you got something of value from it, make sure you hit that like button for me. It helps YouTube to promote my channel, help the channel grow. Check out the link in the description for Webull, free money, 2 free stocks. Check out Patreon, come trade with me, get my buy and sell orders in real time. Check out the $50 off coupon to touchdowntrades.com. I love all of y'all. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, peace.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.